yes, it was very good experience. Like previous, we have the knowledge of digital electronics, but now we have done simulation and hands-on experience on Krypton board.
The most interesting part of this course was that it was completely hands-on. Even the lectures which were given were understandable to us on the BTech level that we are in.
Also, I think the best part was the RAs and the TAs were very helpful and helped in solving all our doubts and confusions that we had.
IIT Bombay already have a Krypton hardware, so we worked on that, and that is very beneficial for the industries as well.
The lectures by Professor Virendra sir and Tejashwa sir were very informative, very easy to understand, and those were very helpful.
It has deepened my understanding on what is the difference of CPLD and FPGA and how we implement whatever we have designed in VHDL.
I'm Vivinia and I'm one of the research assistants in WEL lab. So as we gone through this week, they have all put consistent effort and they have started writing codes from simple combinational circuits to complex FSMs. So the students who have come here are able to do the complete entire design flow from writing VHDL code to loading them on the board, doing verification tasks and debugging them. And we feel very good and that this course was very helpful for the students in doing it.